Brenton and Justin. Okay.
It's a lot shorter than I am. Alright, how's that? Good?
We don't care about your footage. We don't care about your music. We don't care about your movie. And we don't care about your album. Listen up, I got something to say. That you wanna save your files before May. You gotta save your files before they get ditched. Cause we're wiping out the hard drive for the summer, bitch. Back up your files, we know you're frustrated. But come on, dog, you graduated. Don't be crying, don't be busting. But what I wanna know is stealing all my music from the talented bands while I'm posing in the booth like a microphone stand. Laying down these rhymes like a poet and a killer. And cause I don't care, broke another pop filter. Acting like a thug and a gangster and a rapper. And while you weren't looking, swiped your quarter-inch adapter. So on the 18th, the files go in the trash. If you got any beef, then you can kiss my ass. We don't care about your footage.
My album drops.
We don't care about your music.
But my album drops.
We don't care about your movie.
But my album drops next week.
And we don't care about your
But
album.
my album drops next week.
Yeah, you know I got that gold chain. We got that money up here. What's up? Sean B. hot on the board. Matt Porter, you know you crazy for this. For all you wannabe rappers and singers out there, it's time to put up or shut up. Contact Philadelphia Media to record your album.
But my album drops next week, yo.
Waking up the falls.